abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
It is a warm welcome to you, our lovely viewers. Enkundleni Exclusive is the name of the program, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner in events management and media management as well. So guys, Ngaskulmama events, we are talking about all types of events, be it corporate, be it social, be it church. Ungazule NGO yakho ufuna ukuyenza an event, family events, you name it. Deb3 ikhona ke ukuthi ekuphathise events planning and management. So guys, today it's a very exciting episode, but before I move on, I just want let's akusitshele ngamanye ama services awe Deb3.
Any exclusive yes because I'm right, this is Enkundleni Exclusive, and once again, Ngumfani and Leslie Masuku, the comedian, and we are so excited. Well, I had a great week, and Mfundile, you know, if you need a poster, if you need a banner, if you need an event to be successful, make sure you contact Ogushle Designs because has a banner building so. Poster 5 by angazi measurements. But if you are hosting any event, whether it's a church service, a conference, a Thanksgiving, abanye bayalotsholwa, abanye bayadivorce, abanye bayachata, whatever that you are celebrating as a family, as a community, if you need branding services, make sure you visit Ogushle Designs Ngoko. They are there to serve you. Ngoko. Ngoko chani.
Like now.
Oh, now.
Yes.
Manje.
Like right now.
Okay.
And my name is Nondutu Zongube. Guys, I'm a musicians, performers. Studio sikhona lapha, rehearsal space layo ikhona. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events using the contact details akhona lapho ku screen sakho. Si introduce guest yethu.
Yeah. Ngoba ngiyagcina
Does he really need introduction?
No, it doesn't. Namhla uphume ngiwa wangena next door.
He doesn't need to be introduced, but guys, this guy has been making interesting moves. Interesting moves. Go spotlight recently. I think for the past year, 2 years, 3 years, he's been making interesting moves. And besimbona, you know, siyambona. Simkhangele. And one thing that I like about Uganet is that you see him with almost every artist pushing. Angazi umpusha mahara uyabe
you never know.
But uqhakathekile ukuthi he's
push phakathi.
That's the important part. So guys, today we have the one and only Ganet.
Yes.
Ushap.
Nguswi guys njani?
Hayi thina siyaphila.
No, le papa la.
Khulumani indaba ze.
No, le papa la.
Hayi ngishawu. Sunday bese Monday we celebrate, you know, there was a concert at my primary schools. Christmas in Matopo.
Why uqala ngeSunday? Sicela uqale ngeFriday.
Friday wenze airport.
Mina ngifuna ukuthi uqale eNexus. Why uqala
So andiyabona yiko akade ngikutsho ukuthi even ikade ngikhuluma even ku WhatsApp, you know, abantu sebesixoxa la ukuthi problem nxa umuntu ebuyezokubuza ukubuza ngani yena ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi wena uthini, but yena ufuna ukuthi ukukhulumeni into vela ayilindele kuyiyo. Uthini. So mina ngeFriday ngiqale airport.
Ngoba uzale ngijeka nithi. Ngoba thina okwenze sakubiza namuhla la. Wena ujayela nguba la, ujayela kuba eBoreni.
eBoreni.
Okwenze sakubiza lapha thina.
Akula bhora simbambisa.
Okwenze uyakwazi wena uthi wise asikubizela ngeairport. You know why we called you here today?
Yeah man, if Friday if ungambuza from a personal point of view, give me it was a good day because we were tasked ngomsebenzi wokuthi si market event event eyayilethe uMawu from SA. Yeah, I mean sapusha thina sagcwalisa ivenue.
That's what is important.
For me na ngithi nxa umbuza from a personal.
Yes, because very,
Yeah.
that is what is important.
So mina ngayenza umsebenzi wami abantu babuya bagcwala, and even on the day belokho entshisha phezulu ngehle phansi check isembuyile senzothatha iticket leliyana ngehle check isembuyile yabona. So and it's the second event actually I worked with a team in Nexus. The first one was like St. Flo. Also like it was filled to the brim, like bekunyanyisa yabona. So first thing singakayi emsindweni mina bekungama wins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's quite commendable because lapha ungene ngemarketing and they were market, which means you did your job. Okay, so ngikubuze, I've been following you like very interested in ozenzayo. Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
You seem to be going somewhere. You seem to be strategic about this. I don't think into zenzayo lezi pongwenza out of the blue. You're being strategic about it. So, kahle what's the goal? Are you becoming a promoter? Kahle kuya ngapha into lokho because ngiyakubona nje ukuthi into le it's shaping into something.
Ngafunda something from the late Skonja. May he rest in peace. Skonja last year ngivale a business eNrani Lodge, you know. Yeah. So ngathi ngivala ngamtshela ukuthi isikhonja mina ngisaye ngifike eplazini ewangi. Kulokunye okuvulekileyo khona ngale. You know, before esithi alright mfana yami hamba, first thing ayikhulumayo ukuthi njengendoda kumele ube ngo-Tryfin. Kumele uzame kungala lokhu uzame lokhu, you know. So point ayikhulume kugcineni ukuthi at the end of the day kumele usale ungumuntu olento ethiwa social capital. Yabo. Ungafika ebantwini beZion, ungafika khona phana kumele usele umuntu ozakuthi nje kufuna senzeni asiyenze. Ungafika emuntwini ePentecost lakho, ungafika emuntwini epartyini leyana, ungafika emuntwini onatha utshwala lobo, ungafika emuntwini onatha drink lay, you know. Kumele ufike la ufike kwabantu ongasweli ukuthi uphumele $1 or uphumele contact or uphumele something ozakunceda phambili. Yabona, so into akade ngiphushela kakhulu vele enalethi ngibe lento ethiwa social capital. Ayikubona kalutshwana ukuthi uzathola thwa mina ngixabane lo muntu. Mina umuntu enganhlupha mostly vele either ngiyakuhleka or ngiyasithulela or ngiyaxolisa. But at the end of the day ibridge lelana esizama kuleyakha at the end of the day uthi sonke sigcina sidle ugcineni lisale likhona, yabo. Yeah, so it's a thing yokuthi siyakhana as a community wonke umuntu edle nxa sizagcina singama millionaires ogcineni it's fine, it's a bonus.
But can we all be millionaires? I think when I was humble be millionaire but kulabanye abazasala emuva. But anyway,
yeah.
In the West Tulu.
So I'll be honest, Estulweni, in the West Tulu, like the actual act Estulo, I did not see it. When looking in and out of venue lapana. Like I said, when looking mbijana phone ring, I check you might have phone sitting zabianzo chatty ticket, same corner pass, and yes, you cheat ticket, Joe Monto market there, you know. So the actual act is Estulo, I didn't see it, but before Senzagala, February beseke wahlangana lami already. Wakhala ukuthi vele already nje sokukubi.
What had happened?
Uthi yena isikhathi sokuthi performance afika. And then isikhathi sokuthi performance tesifikile. Umuntu akade ngo-MC wasukuma wa stage I think ebethi promise ukuthi ngiza sense yakubiza. So uMC wafika wabamba imic for 1 hour.
MC esenzani imic? Who was the MC?
No, who was the MC? Like, honestly.
Auntie Itezo, thina ithi
I think ubhalile ku FFG ku statement sakhe. Hey, is a brother. If engabhalanga it's
Mboni bizwe lithi Keke.
Yes.
So Keke was the MC.
So yeah, so usukume wa uthi uthethe isikhathi sonke esesethi yakhe.
Kanti MC 1 hour yabezenzani? Ngikubuza.
Yabe sozuthi why ningalala emakhaya.
No, but this is always happening and people are like keeping quiet about it.
Happens a lot.
Kwenzakala especially ngithi thina comedy and ukuthi kwethiwa ishow ye comedy 2 hours. And then nxa sifika backstage lapha litshela ukuthi gents 10 minutes anti aswi wena khona benxa isetting ele 15 but isikhathi sitshintshe backstage so mina me storyteller so ke so menzama ukubona istory sami ngisenzana ukuthi sikwane nga u10 minutes so see the struggle engiba la backstage ngithi nxa ngifika ku 9 minutes 45 seconds ngiqasa ukuflickwa ngama light uthi bra akusela sikhathi host angena khuluma 11 minutes but he host kumele introduce the next act next act buye icha 8 minutes yena buye icha 12 minutes.
I think we've mentioned this before. We have a problem yokuthi sometimes MC sefuna kuba ngu-star of the show.
That's what almost every MC is doing. You remember kuze kube le kule show EU ekuyaba se at gallery MC la wayesehlabela ngoma zakhe le band.
And who was the MC?
I don't remember.
How you know?
I don't remember. It's been a while. I'm sorry, but it's been a while.
How do you remember to say the band when you
Nyakhumbula ukuthi wayehlabela MC because we even spoke about it.
Anyway, did Feb G perform?
No, it didn't. Feb G is a professional, and I'm respected for that. So he said, guy, how MC out on CD. So it's because I'm sesidlulile. And then after that, you be a DJ. Angasimba uDJ wachaya lapha. Wachaya. But bekungaso isikhathi sakhe futhi uDJ nalo even if we are after mina. Yabo. So as I say to Feb G, ngiyabonga ukuthi ungitshela indaba leyi. Unfortunately mina ngila power yoku act ukuthi ngithi ngiyenze anything esenza difference kathesi lapha. But what I can do is ukukhuluma on your behalf. Ngicela sihlangane kusasa sikhulume sonkeni you know kungela umuntu odiniweyo kungela umuntu you know rebukileyo and stuff wathi swi but asahlangana ngabe mase sihlangane ngeSaturday
and then bese ngibuza ukuthi khona you were in the marketing side, huh?
Yeah.
So okwenza uFeb G azalande wena ukuthi phela uthi bengela umuntu okulanda. And then he
uqambile ukhulumile uqaliseni ukuthi mina kula athi sengazwanani lalo. Kunjalo we have a relationship and it's not that one land as such bemphuma ebememnyango ku counter.
Was it paid?
I don't know. Lokuthi babethenjisweni lokuthi banikwane I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah. So you know wakhuluma ngabreaka lami ngakho ebehamba I think bekungumanager wakhe uGayo Lomzimba so cause besingaqeda ukukhuluma uGayo nathi hamba la waphena kwamdonsa athi asambi esebehamba ephambili estage ngale because then ama taxes saswagqokile ngama all access except for indawo elama barricade okwakuthiwa elama tables athengiweyo. So you could go anywhere. Wawuhamba uyehlala eVIP, wawuhamba uyehlala kuGeneral, wawukwanisa uhamba uye backstage, wawukwanisa ukuma phambi kwestage. Kade ekhafulela uDJ nxa ufuna, you know, akula umuntu ayekubamba. So bamdonsa wahamba phambili. But you know indlela ekhuluma ngayo, you know uFeb G indoda yesintwini. Yabona obaba abangasaba ukulibeka ezithize. So yabo kwasi nxa uFeb G ekhuluma wakufaka ngendlela wafake ngayo ukuthi kubuhlungu because wayekhuluma komuntu othi I can overlook okunye okwenzakeleyo wayengakukhuluma but lokhu kutshengisela ukuthi anhlonitshwanga wazowathi ngilibiye lama t-shirt lama caps othi nxa sense stage ni even jikela abantu but nanga kahlezi wapointa ehlezi phansi kwe counter but nanga kahlezi lapha senza phongo uhamba nje you know.
And after all that investing his time and so forth, yeah.
Mina umbuzo wami ukuthi bekungela yini umuntu maybe controller I program anti nyake mbone kuma shows ami ukuthi nxa mfika lapha kulo muntu la ekhothi
that's your go-to person, yes. That's why I'm asking ukuthi baze balande yena because yena I department yakhe it was for marketing. So Feb G ubeselanda umuntu afamiliar laye.
MC ukuthi sichovile.
So I think
umuntu njalo yini.
Webe ngu timekeeper futhi umuntu wakho.
Nxa lefa kumbuzo nalo I think mina into esikhuthayo angithi ukuthi kusharp and ngifake disclaimer lapha into esikhuthayo ukuthi vele abantu aba-organize event leyana bebe-organizela ukuphusha ibusiness yabo bona. Yeah, they want to push sales bazafuna ukuthi bengarani loss kushow. So nxa ama-tickets i-target yabo sithengiwe kugcwele phakathi abantu bayathenga abakuthengayo you know okunengi vele wawubona even event siyaqala abantu bengana abakakhanya ukuthi babuya mba babuyi wonke umuntu wayetense abantu abaphezulu laphana ku-establishment kuyabe kutense cause awukwazi ukuthi i-event le izaphuma sizarecoup imali esizifakileyo and then finally nxa sokushepile wonke umuntu sehappy sebezinathela akuningi akusela ndawo.
But I think even if that's the case, and like Azakhulumeli in your case, but I'm saying even if that's the case, I think they also know that as a business entity, you have to maintain a good relationship with your stakeholders, because in this case, FEPG was also a stakeholder.
Yeah.
So I think a good relationship has to be built and maintained with the stakeholders. Awukhathalekile ukuthi wena target yakho usuthengisile stuff, but you have to maintain that for future, because if you are planning to exist for more years to come, you are not going to exist alone. You're going to need those people.
Yeah, definitely. Angekuphile ku island. So yeah, and another thing nje ku team, I think ngilenza sakwendaweni is wrong. Because if ngamfake ukuthiwa kumele ngikhayela ama-artists ngi-relay message, even if ngibatshela into abangayithandiyo, I'm sure I would have used the language ababengayizwisisa engasoze bazwisise ubuhlungu. You know, so I think another thing ukuthi abantu ababe, you know, okuyabe kuthiwa lo nguyomelele belikhuluma la, lo nguyomelele belikhuluma la. I don't think ukuthi ngabantu abake basebenza with ama-artists or who have been artists before.
Yes.
So to them ungafika ukuthi Jake awufala lapha ngathi ngiyabuya ebese hamba. Efike ngale ethola umuntu owana la task mbe 20 ku event. Efike ngale efike etshela ukuthi Jay ubosses wani lapha uthi imbodlela yakhe se-M2 ufuna lelinye segijima efike ecounting ethatha iyabona. Ethatha imbodlela ngale usuka futhi senika okunye ukuthi egedini thwa kulo muntu osehlupha segijima egedini.
Sebuya sezoxotsha wena le bhaketi. Because sizokuthaya uGanet labo Ntando laxotsha lamabhaketi.
Yeah, mina lami
ngizocina le sibone sufake i-press statement.
Elami ngizocina le dilitile. Mina first thing team player, it's unfortunate ukuthi ama team ame bemaningi lapha naso. So ngicine somele ndlalela iGanet FC
That's a good one.
Ebemanengi ama team ami. So the first thing very initially lapha desilezi khona ku VIP. The next stage from VIP bekuyi VVIP. But VVIP bilama table athengiweyo. So besivele sesitshela ukuthi lapha nalingeni kungena umuntu ogqoke itag eliyelo. Thina bese la iphepho. But then iphepho lalo beli all access. Lathi sike sachinga sathi nxa lesithi all access why lisita livunyelwa lapha kodwa no but athengiwa ama table lana. Like abanikazi bazafika behlala khona phana. Asingeke sifike siminyane, you know. Thina one of umuntu okade thengina those tables is a guy we spent the weekend with. He's from Harare. You know, so in that way khuluma into ade siyibona ukuthi no it's like that. Kubuhlungu ukuthi akwenza ingene
but then uNoluntu and her team base bemekele ngena njani endaweni ongamelanga.
So nansi story bafikile thina bese occupy itable eliyi-1 lo Ntando Van besihlezi bekuyimi lo Ntando lama gents akayi2 mina beni lo mfana nami oyi1. So sahlala nje sikwethu so bathe befika ba occupy the next table at semva wethu and le ndawo i-VIP lapha konke ade sihlezi khona it's VIP bahamba bahlala etebulini yayo, you know, and asithu lapho ngaba bingelela staff, you know, sashawuda nokuthi ucatshile wasacina na udala, you know, stuff like that aphendwa ngazohlala. So there's a lady ade sisebenza la ku team ku marketing and she kinds of oversees everything. So ebeyandela on the day because ekseni uqala wa make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu yabuye ekseni before 12 ethatha ama take. After that wa issue ama tickets, abantu abanika ama tickets ukuthi bethengise babuya bewasurrender izimali kuthethe isikhathi esithi uzowaphuma ama 5 kahamba nge-airport. You know, thina siphuma se-airport siyathatha uma yena wahlwa suka endlini siyageza.
Okay.
Siphenduka siyachiya uma we-hotel siphenduke evenue lapha safika yena vele belokho engakabuyi i-event siqalile kukhona kuyabe sokutshintshile ngesikhathi lesiyana. So yikho kuthintshwe khona kwathiwa lapha okufakwa ama barricade ngama table athengiweyo kungabi lo munye umuntu ongena la lina hlala nini nga, you can go estage, you can go ngaphi, you can go ngaphi, but not lapho, yabo. So yena uthe ebuya osesilwana first thing kazange wagijimela ukudinga ukuthi kumi njani kuthintsheni. Hlwa gijima kuma artists akhe noLuntu. Wafika wabathi guys lina mbantu yohlala nga phakathi lapha eba direct emathebulini kona la nathengiwe. Kakwazi ukuthi kusale ukuthi
So that's a miscommunication yenza ke le.
yabo. So basukuma bahamba. Bathe behambile lo mfana wami leyo wahlwa wasukuma wafika wangena lapha nanti. Mina ngifike ngime ku entrance lapha mina ngeke ngazama ukungena before security wanjela ukuthi kuchintshile so ngihamba ngaconfirm uTopi ngaconfirm you know kubo Thema and stuff anjela no kare sokumiso so all right doctor hayi guys lingakhulumisa amabizo
nikaze bhavu uzotopi nikaze oyiveni
Uyakwazi phela ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi
uzotophala uchief uking uTopi nikaze we
yabo so ngifike ngime lapha ngiphasa ubhoyze iglass lami nje ifila lapha thina singeni lapha but izinto zethu esizinatha ziphakathi because andivele sile gesi ele edge you know imqhubele and then ngiphume so semphuma lapha ngibona umanager kaNoluntu yasukuma umanager kaNoluntu before isiba manager kaNoluntu ebengisisi wami njengokuthi wena usisi wami you know esukume ngimlande nje umuntu eyimjayele you know kule language yokukhuluma lo muntu omjayeleyo ngimtshela ukuthi Jay lapha elihlezi khona kulo security ozabuya uzabe licheck amatheke ngabona ngekho yelo ozalisukumisa and you know ubuntu bama bouncer ibouncer ukuthi ngicela usukume
lethola izinto
lifikele ukutshela ukuthi Jay lela so take la lapha sukuma nini and akakutshela ukuthi ambohlala nga yabo so ngibatshela you know from a place ukuthi amfuni ukuthi liya ngekho kuse bar lingabantu mina ngiyalihlonipha for imsebenzi yenu you know even ama image and stuff akusoze kube mnandi ukuthi umuntu elibone lisukunyiswa ukuthi lisukunyisiwe you know so phanga utshela team yakho linjani libuyele lapha nakade lihlezi khona
yes
wabe sithi thina sitshela ukuthi asihlale lapha ngiyamtshela ukuthi umuntu olithethe lihlale lapha akakwazi ukuthi sokutshintshile so the basic
you know bethu yabanakekela
yes because she was not up to date with changes okay
beautiful
so bagcina kungena umember wacheck amatheki
wabasukumisa then othathela isitulo
isitulo vele sithethwe lethu ishow kumbe ngabo 11 le hayi isitulo sele sithethwe siyathatha uma sesiphendu because intempeni wakhe umthole khona semile uFFG ebese ngasahla cause
but uFFG ubehlezi ngale kuma itheka yelo kumbe
vele sonkeni bese ngapha kwayiphephu
khathi manje kuphephu ngapha isitulo sikhitshwe njani kuFFG
cause asikhipheki kwayelo
no parimena thinothi kulento eqhathekileyo embona singayi ignore ukuthi information ibifikile ukuthi lapho hlezi khona ungahlali for abanoluntu and team
maybe ibindaba ukuthi information elethwe yini
ukuthi who delivers the information because sometimes we think we also akuphikisi ngizama
information ibifikile because kufana la msonga ngangena ebar even ungaze kubuye random person athi jeka ungena ibantu la ngingasebenzisa ukuthi aje mina licomedy into endihlale la information ifikile
so can I ask you something did Noluntu know that you are part of the organizing team
I mean I've been pushing this event since how many months ago
even engakwazi
ngoba angeke ngitshelwe nguLeslie mina ukuthi intshintshi indaba
wena nxa ngabuya ngizokutshela information
no but ukuthi you mentioned ukuthi the manager is like a sister obviously there's a relationship that is there I think they should have also
mina ngithi ukuthi even kudlula kungumuntu so kuthwele kuthiwa wena usister lo yabe save lo
engakhuluma
sithi sorry nanti lingahlali la information ifikile
yes
lina liyenzanga lutho ngeinformation
so
kusitsha lapha lingathi aparasitelwa
so basukumile Kumbe bayali
Bawusali
Baphakamile.
basukumile bayadlala.
yikho kusukunyiswe khona uNtando cause la besukume wangena phakathi
Oh so uNtando usukumile lebhakede. Oh wena lapho ubusungene
Crossfire ngoba emvele endlezi lo Ntando ku VIP ngale but uNtando bathe bengeniswa ngapha kuma
But uNtando
elothe
phela ube ngani uyaphika la.
No uNtando bekwazi ukuthi lapha nakuhlalwa lapha.
No ku social media ube ngani uyaphika ukuthi usukunyiswa.
hayi vero
Basukunyiswa nguright ngoba bekwazi ukuthi lapha hlezi khona.
uNtando
akuhlalwa.
uNtando noluntu bengeniswa phakathi ngusisilwana uNtando la uhambile
Yikho phela ngitho
okay,
ubekwazi
phela.
ukuthi uyawona phela.
and unoluntu bengamelanga ethi Ntando usukunyiswe mina ethi sisukunyisiwe ngoba lawa basukunyisiwe
Sure.
yabo
Unoluntu sike samcela ukuthi abe ku podcast and she didn't want to come. It would have been nice to
ngimlande ku WhatsApp ngamthethe che mina azange ngasukunyiswa enembuzile la ku Facebook uthi mina ngisukunyiswe ku VIP
No,
ip
uyabona ukuthi no mina into engikhala ngayo kuyina. It's how we want to use like the same brush for every paint and because mina ka rest before this information and bengizondile ukuthi but next asijayela kuba ama artist. Well, to a certain extent ngiyabe ngizondile but ngiyake lami manage imchato and ungabizi artist sule problem because selfuhlala lapho kuhlezi khona makoti. Enqozama ukuchasisa ukuthi hayi majensi caress kulo mama umuntu echadayo lo baba then labo bamdala angikabi lamatafula
lina lisemsebenzini
angikabi lamatafula ukuthi linjani asithathwa serious thina nje ama artist asithathwa serious and
okay
but ngiyabe le problem mina lapha enzama because angisoze ngisukumisa umama umuntu echadayo ukuthi wena uhlala.
I think from your perspective enye into okumele ama artists ayinanzelele ukuthi nxa lapha yena uzosebenza.
Yes, sisemsebenzini mfana lo waiter mfana la ngisebenza lapha and kumele ngibe le attitude yokuthi kungawa ispeaker ngibe ngokuqala ukugijima kuyasidobha because umsebenzi wami uyakuma. Speaker singafa lesiya.
Okay.
Anilapha silanda uzosebenza. So into esihlasikhuluma ngayo siyathengisa bara sikwazi ukuthi sithengisane. Singabakwazi ukuthi sithengisane because nxa mina ngisizokuthoka kulabantu asebethengela sukulabantu asebethenga umsebenzi wami phela so abantu laba baqhakatheka ngebhawa kuphela baqhakathekela kimi because bathenge umsebenzi wami and for me I think the second thing is kumele sifunde ku appreciate abantu abasenze sathola iplatform mawu in this case and falami kungathiwa kubuye uSiyanda Maphumulo from SA.
Black Diva wathi lina liletha ama artists asephela umso.
Hayi lo Black Diva lo ngokwakhe ngithi mina alo ngokwakhe
hayi
mina ngithi
wathi ababuya ngokunayo kasebenza
ngithi mina kufana le Borena kungathiwa iZimbabwe idlala le Brazil eZimbabwe ama Brazilians nxa ifika lapha kaswahlonipheni is accept ukuthi thina sihlalela eZimbabwe laba abantu badlalela iBrazil singafu computer labo
like fine eBoreni sizachayana but we have to acknowledge
especially thina ground kwambana kanhloniphi namhlandlala lo name and so same la ku art ungabiza uWinky D ubizelo Leslie uLeslie seqasa ubuza imibuzo yokuthi why uWinky D ephiwa champagne why uWinky D eseyathathwa ngekhombi why kanti uWinky D lala lapha mina nilala la akufanani umuntu oyenze saba la nguye because umuntu ogaya event le enqondweni ubengagawu Leslie ubegawu Winky D wasesithi ngizahle mfake lo Leslie so liqiniso singafuni ukule accepta lo alelo but yilo because wena wedwa bangeke bakwenzela ishow eNexus.
So uFab G lapha nguyo esingathi esakhe isikhalazo siyazusika ngoba
so
into ayibizelweyo ubizela umsebenzi
yes kasasebenzanga and ungezwa into ekhulunywa ngoGanet uFab G ubekhala ngokusebenza ikona ngokuhlala
It's been quiet about the chair.
No, ucommentile uFacebook wathi ngizwa kuthiwa izitulo ekalithini kanti.
Eish. Did you say that?
Yeah, ubuze isitulo senzeni.
Guys,
Uzweni kanti isitulo senzeni. Wazothi ngaze ngasukela something like that.
Yeah, and he's even saying shout out to laba abafuna ukusebenza lami abangafuniyo sehlani.
In the morning
is not
ngizwa kuthiwa isitulo.
uFab G into isikhalazo sakho.
Lesikipa emfuku uzinika ama fans. Ngile ngoma bemfuku eqisa abantu angisasebenzanga.
So after Yazi uthi nani? Madoda hayi.
No, so
Ukhulumele so hayi.
so ekugcineni my point is
ungakamkhulumela yikho yini ngifuna ungikhulumele khona
Ukhulumele guys. Guys.
anyali but before ungikhulumela nje yikho yini emfuna ungikhulumele khona because mina ngifuna ukukhulunyelwa ukuthi mbele
Maybe you
skipa
want to portray your brand
lamakepesi
in a certain way. You want to portray your brand in a certain way. So kulezi izinto wena ongazipostiyo.
yes
Okay.
ukuthi mina sakwazi ukuhlangana ngemva kwendlu ngithi guys
Maybe-
into elingenziwa lapha ikushaya
u-FG vele isikhalazo sakhe usibhalele la ku-press release
Ngifuna
akafa
ukuperforma. I want to work
So unoluntu posted engakakhulumisani lo FFG ukuthi indoda
asazi
lapha
khonapho,
basenze.
asazi.
Ngoba ngabe bakhulumile maybe bezamtshela ukuthi hayi indoda leyo iyekele estudio channel.
asazi khonapho
so this is what I was saying so khona oke ngokhuluma ukuthi you know andisikhulumile ama-loopholes miscommunications you know stuff into ezimbi for you know into yabe organize event of that nature ukuthi libizwe umuntu from SA because even singabala ukuthi kuphanjanisela ama-local musicians but ungabona ama-mistakes anjalo esenzakala esikewe esincane lapha it means vele ukuthi kule ndawo lapha ade kuthathwa khona ama-shortcuts here and there akusoze kekele lokho affecta even the main act
true
uyabona but abalandaba uma uperformed for 28 minutes the rest of it set iqedwe ngu-DJ.
Why?
As we don't know the reasons.
Listen to me.
How long was she supposed to perform?
Manager says Mao was supposed to perform for 35 minutes. But uThepumile DJ because mina ngikadile ngakumecela nga DJ kama anyway. I think we try more than 20 minutes after Mao yehlile.
What happened?
Akula umuntu okhuluma ukuthi awufa the only bantu abakhala ngabantu akade be expect ukuthi uma wechaya more which is i-audience
and the audience like wena ngugeja kwakho nxa ukhangele ngabantu abanganani roughly because sometimes you can see hayi lapha sikhuluma ngama senior citizens or lapha silabantwana abancane silama youth
lapha I think singasabalotophi abadala le team akade kuma yellow take lapha lezana izizade zizindala kakhulu maybe singaba ukuthi bakhona bekubo late 50s otherwise ku audience sibe singathi bibhadalela ukubuya laphana ungakhangela ugeneral maybe umuntu omdala bekudlala kubo 40 that's a kind of audience lapha
we youth and okay so it was a mixture abadala lama 2K
bekuhlangene because even during i-build up esihlangana labantu ade besibuza ukuthi uma uyena lo wahlabela iphi ingoma it's normal
which is true
mdala mina bengisebenza I think iko khona ivoice yami abe mbahlabelo ngicela engathi angiyazi ngithi lali
Zumbero
yabona cause vele ifesi vele kabe kungakhanyi kabe kungakhanyi ungazumtshengisa iflight angulo vele kungakhanyi you know so I was saying ukuthi khonoko nje ungama irregularities ayenzakeleyo you know kutshengisela ukuthi nje vele even if event igcina yaba successful kwagcwala still there's izinto eziningi omele ezilungisiswe yabona
yeah because for an event ochukuthi it was being planned and organized for months you'd expect it to be a bit smoother and we've seen bigger events othola ku smooth to an extent yokuthi audience ayinanzeli nxa kulama glitches umuntu obhadala kuzobona kaboni ama glitches abonwa ku background ngale lo bhadele ukuthi ebuye doesn't see a thing. We've seen such events, so I think
so onoluntu ezikhalazo zakhe because like I said uqaliseni I don't know ukuthi babemthembiseni for ukuperforma or ukuthi babemthembisa ukuthi
she performed.
Yeah, umnoluntu performed.
Yeah, I saw the clip.
After ukuxoxa and all the like, that was
noluntu performance bengene baphuma lapha because lapha vele ungena bephuma kwakungaqala ama performance.
How did she perform?
Okusukunyiswa.
Esezondile.
Like I said I was in and out. I was noluntu performa bengiphansi. Music voice. Yeah. So
no clip.
but unoluntu she delivers. She, you know. Yeah. So I'm saying ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi bebemthembiseni.
So now you're saying unoluntu she delivers, but we saw a press statement ekade sithi abakwazi ukuperform, abakwazi ukudeliver from Nexus.
Look at it's subject, okay, subject to umuntu obukeleyo. Maybe umuntu kade lalele umuntu edance wakalalele hip hop, unoluntu is hip hop.
Or it's biting back.
I know.
Ukuthi sembisela, semvayindela.
Yabona ukuthi kunje so. No. Mina benzondile mbe studio, Bargaresi ulaga lwami ngani lwehla mbijana. Into yakho ninje so ukuthi ungafuna wena ungigcwalisele. Lami ngiyakutshela ngiyakwazi.
Ngigcwalisela back. Sesitawukwazi ukuperform.
Lami lawa amabhayini.
And give me yabungakwazi. Give me mina yabungakwazi.
No, But into lana is subject to cause
yikho phela ngisho ukuthi kimi mina nje ayikonto uyabungakwazi because umuntu thina esithi uyaponda kulenye indawo kuthiwa uyabulala then kube lo munye kuthiwa uyabulala bakhona wana abathanda uBlack Diva amatwela.
So I'll make an example of event eyenzakale wange also over the weekend. Unkosazana daughter. Kujikwa amambodlela because bengachayi nge-live band.
You see?
So even if it deliver an electric performance for umuntu ade expect live band kuye kakwanisa. So yikho ngutsho ukuthi indaba yokukwanisa lokungakwanisi subject kuya ngokuthi umuntu okhuluma yena ebekhangeleni kahle kahle. Yeah, but for me azake ngaba phambili kwanoluntu
performance. Ujulele phela indaba le. You know I'm actually he's just so quiet.
He's a professional.
No, but uqathekile.
Why is the press statement?
Waqeda.
Because ukuba ngomsindo sometimes angazi ukuthi kusovani. Ukuba ngomsindo ukuthi where say since yakhuluma and then
yabona so uSharp ukhala most probably besides ukusukunyiswa kukhona okunye okudeep okwamcaphulayo.
Yeah.
Like I said, I don't know what my contracts are bekulani bekuthwalisa
performing ngesikhathi ade mina performing ngaso.
Yabona maybe ngokunye I don't even know what time you are supposed to perform. Mina vele bengingiyela la program. Mina umsebenzi wami uphelele ukuthi nabantu sebengenile. But njengomuntu akade vele phakathi ubona izinto senzakala. So I don't know ukuthi
it would have been nicer to have her here and ezikhulumele but
no saqhubeka simcela.
Because most of these things is umsindo vele actually
we need to know like umuntu like ekwanisa ukukhala nje ngokuthi andlanga but kulesinye isikhalazo alaso esingayisiso sokuhle.
Like benga ignore ukuthi andlanga but la unganikanga kudla songazongcicha amanzi. Yabona so yiko ngokuthi
so maybe there's something else.
Yena sebuye wakhuluma like phezulu maybe kule contractual obligation.
I think ukhuluma kwakhe she was right ekhuluma.
Yes I agree 100%.
We cannot expect two different artists to behave the same way. So uFabG behaved ngendlela abona ualigna le brand yakhe and stuff like that. And then unoluntu la ubehave ngendlela abona ku right to express. I think I mistake ibe yiku ukuzi express aphinda expressele lo FabG ngoba uFabG usethule yena ukhulumile uFabG sekungani usephika ngesitulo you get it. I think yena bekumele azikhulumele okwakhe yedwa angakhulumela abanye njengakho khona kwenzileyo ku press release ukuthi uzikhulumele yena. I think that was what she was supposed to do ngoba nxa esekhulume njalo and then FabG sesithi kanti lithini ngesitulo hantsha yabona ukuthi sokungani she's being discredited. Maybe uFabG doesn't mean it that way but thina ipovo esikhangeleyo sesibona ngani
yamthana umhlageza
antsho yabona even uNtando antsho ubona uNtando uyela ngiyakhi engikuthi kathi lithini kathi stories align so kungani unoluntu version ayikhulumayo ayisiyenzakeleyo. That's why sithi khona I think yena she was supposed to
focus
really on her issues.
Mina nzake mbizwa kuma big events so angikwazi.
Because really at the end of the day OSF said something ukuthi these two parties abanikazi bevenue labona oluntu kumele besebenza towards ukuhlangana bethi hayi Jensi lapha siphambaniseleni singalungisa njani singayenzana or not even
I don't think that will happen.
No yakwazi why ungasoye kwenzakala
sokonakele
yakwazi ukuthi between the three people noluntu FabG lama event organizers anti between bona be3 uFabG stands higher chance yokuthi engakwanisa ukuthi bekuthi mfanami sorry sikuphambaniseni because yendut indlela le you know professional ngendlela adomele angitsho ukuthi unoluntu indlela into ayenzileyo ayikho sharp but I'm saying ukwenze kwazo wagcina songane vele soyikuchisa ama bridge ukuthi alright vele liphambanisile and even if lingaze lifuna ukulungisa angisekho lapho
because ungakhangela even the posts it seems like the war is still going on.
Yabo. Yikho mina bemfubuza ukuthi ngihambe ku event angazi you guys maybe you know better ngihambe ku event ngifike maybe kuphambaniseke into ebesivumelene ngiqala ngani ngiqala ngokuposta kumbe ngokubuza
qala ngokubuza maybe babuza
then base
Maybe
bengicisha
wabuza sikwazi.
akakukhulumi ngakho
but mina u5G
lapha sesebenzisa statement sakhe because ngabe maybe ngizabukela futhi
I think
but ngabe kule ndawo yothi
since
mina
she was-
ngihambe ngabuza
Batshela
kanti
ukuthi-
ngenzani
Since
bathi
she was narrating the whole thing, maybe ngabukhulumile ukuthi ayisengikhulume lapho.
ngabuza
But
so
then-
then I'm pure because into ecaphulayo ngeyokuthi uthithwe kuba nti then uthi nxa
Ungabuye
usiya lapho
uzo-address.
kumele khona uncedo khona nti labo bafike bangakuncedi then awu right akusela there's no way I can
Asisenini,
get help.
azikhale, yeah.
Azikhale karesa nti so nxa kuyikuthi wabuza nti wabuza ubani and umuntu wakhona uthini sakwanisa umbiza lazo sithe uthi usutshela ukuthi ama-artist ayenziwe kubi what did you do but nxa kuyikuthi kabuzanga uhle waposta ayisikho
Anyway, okay. I think we've said enough about Nexus. Unless there's something else of Kushtela.
hey I'm not a man of many words
Okay, so ubuse inde.
yeah
And
I
were you there, Uzhambela, or you were also part of the organizing team?
indebele sithwani si family since people don't know both Garden of House lay in there I've been from the first ever
Okay.
Garden of House first event ile 200 abantu yinde first event less than 50 people ethwane thwane lapha duze le Bradford emalindela so it's a community thing I'm part of the community siyaphakamisana and stuff you know
Okay.
yeah so into even ama events lana even ngikuthiwa ngikwane sohamba ngeke ngiswele 10 minutes ukuthi ngihambe ngiyofika ngitshela ama-gents ukuthi gents kade ngifikile
Okay.
so
And how
yeah
did it go?
yeah I mean Night Freak or I think it's a thing of exposure which is you know it's been around the world wabona into ezenziwa njani you know
And it was sold out.
sold out
It was.
yeah wow
yeah and nxa ethe sold out you know kulabantu abebebuya because they know ukuthi siphakathi laphana uyozothi kanti cheki angeke uncengele nomini
Bengibona even online abantu besithi akulola ama tickets eyinde.
yabo
Ongasahambi.
so yeah sold out ukuthi even mina umjida ngafika ngithi cheki but kulo muntu oyi-1 okhala yathi sold out
Akwenzi.
cheki kulo muntu obuye kade esuvela you know someone wayevele wayengitextile umuntu lwana ku-Facebook we are not friends but ngabona kuyi-request mvula wathi cheki I just landed this morning from the UK ngingathola ngibasendela ama-screenshot so asho ngivele la ehle ngithi hayi
Akula
Kanethi,
nto engingayenza.
njengawe Kanethi lalela akusela ama-tickets
akula nto engingayenzi
yabo wazocela sesendele message ungasamfoneli sengilapho ongabanjwa khona amafoni so it's like that nxa kuthiwa sold out ephelile
Sold out.
aphelile
Yes.
and akula ma-tickets athengiswe egedini so that's you know that's
Then
how
someone will be like, amabulawa artist aligcwalisa. Asikugcwalisa
asikhulume
khona.
ngo-Night Freak
Asikugcwalisa
Night Freak.
ngu-Night Freak.
asikhulume ngomfana we-Papa Fields kanti lina likhuluma ngawaphi ama-artist kanti lina benu elasivumbela bona
Asikugcwalisa khona lo. Ikugcwalisa phela khona lo.
Ya, siyagcwalisa
Hey.
siyagcwalisa
I think
yikuthi kuphela sigcwalisi sonke but silaba abagcwalisa kuyafanana la ngalo uthoki utshayibhampa guys singathuki
Yeah.
utshayibhampa ka-2 and watshayibhampa lapha sakhuluma utshayibhampa futhi kareza so aso wonke umuntu vele umele agcwalise and
Yeah.
akugcwalisi ngokuthi uvela kobulawa mbeharari hayi nxa uvele ugcwalisa uyagcwalisa
Okay,
Yeah.
so mina besides sisikhuluma yinde Nexus and stuff like that. I think also issue now when it comes to the organizers because a good discussion we were talking mostly about the performers, the
Yeah.
artists and stuff. I think organizers labo they have to learn to be professional in how they handle performers. Because before you're a performer, you're also a human being.
Yeah.
And you are bound to make emotional decisions.
Yeah.
True.
Ukuthi uzondile and you make an emotional decision. So I think it's better for them to be proactive than being reactive. Ukuthi simele ukuthi uqale uchinge then sesiza address issue because okunye labo bebebona ukuthi lapha kulokuphambanisa ukuthize sikwenzileyo. So I think and organizers in Nexus, I don't think it's the first time we host an event
Of that magnitude.
of that magnitude. It's the first. It's the first time.
Unless there's this other shutdown, I think.
But I'm talking about the people behind Nexus. They've done other events.
Unless they were part.
Experience is there. They know izinto ezijayele ukwenzakala lezi zinto ekumele bazikhangelele when they are organizing ama events. And also I always have an issue lo muntu ofaka isandla esenza njengonwabo so ukuthi uyabe ngani ufuna ukufaka engani ngafuna ukufaka ukuthi in case nxa kungathengwanga ngizaluza and stuff like that. Sometimes kokwenza ukuthi ugcine ungadeliver kahle.
Yeah.
Because ufaka usithi ngizafaka abantu bangathengi.
Either ngena
So abathengileyo ke sebezathola half baked goods. Yabo. So I think ngenye issue naleyo kumele ikhangelwe naleyo ama organizers they have to look into that as well.
And also kumele sibe le community ama events organizers. What I like, I don't know if kumele ngikhuluma indaba le, but what I liked about Team Nexus, they worked with umntu of 3D events. Wabuya nje wafika wayenza umsebenzi wakhe ademele wenze it's collaboration. So imagine kungaba labantu aba powerful as umntu Nexus, team yinde, team any other events abenzakala koBulawayo, because at the end of the day what they are serving is Bulawayo. Ungananzela most of these events kuhla siyahlangana ngakhona ukuthola kwenye event nguthole kwenye ukutshengisela ukuthi ama events ayenzala koBulawayo amaningi alanda ukuzoseva thina. So if these people meet bebe le community yabo lapha abatshelana khona ukuthi no obele successful event, this is how I did it. Omunye okade ehlezi phandle ngalepho ngothi no but I think uphambanise lapha kulungisiswe at the end of the day sibe le standard esi1 ukuthi ukuthi aku event ungabona kwenzakala mistake and it's because we go beyond control yabantu. But vele kahle ama events akobulawa kanjani top.
Yeah, true.
So lawa ama artists I think they also have to do the same.
Yes.
They have to do the same.
Akukho lula, yes, I agree. But mina mepenxe ukuthi mphile emhlabeni wereality ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi nxa kuthiwa le audience eningi le 300 eBulawayo theater. So anzake ngithi mina senile 1000 loba mfuna ukuya ku 1000 and so kulezinye izinto emphangisa ukuzi accept.
Yeah.
Vele ezingangizwisi buhlungu mfana ukuthi mina ungambiza mina emtshadweni wakho uthi uzochaya 10 minutes set ye comedy mfike kungabi lo asho ubizwe ntathe ketena la problem. Iproblem engaba layo ukuthi linganiki imic ezwakalayo nxa sumencha icomedy. Then ngingaqeda ukuchaya icomedy yami even linganiswelela indawo yokuhlala ngecha phansi because umsebenzi bengulandile
semenzi.
Ningani umsebenzi wami linika imali yami.
Yes. And so okunye ukuthi besokuwoswa nsawusanga sengiqedile umsebenzi engoqhatshelweyo yiwenza so umsebenzi wami ubuye lama benefits ukuthi alright nxa kusika ikhekhe uzadla kuqala balapha kwephambaniseka lapha because sokulomdeni sokolomalumo ofike sithi mbani lo usesidla ikhekhe kanti so ungakukhangela njalo even mawuhambe ku-event especially in a bar setup and ukuthi mvumelene mina loganethu kwaza ama artist ukuthi anyway lingafuna ukukhafula uDJ lamkhafulela but nxa uDJ ufika wathi kusethi lama mfuna ubona umuntu estagini
sokuthi
laye lisethi lakhe and li require khonoko so mina ukuthi ngicazuthinga ukuthi alabo lithe ngigade estagini karase mfu gade sokuthiwa ngingasagade akusahambelani and so yikungizwa mina nisithi eka 5G ayika 5G ifuna attention le vele kumele bamnike enye imali like yokumxolisa because this is the highest level of disrespect.
Yes.
And even uMC kumele akhuzwe kakhulu ngendlela sonke sisabona ukuthi ukhuziwe ukwenza ukuthi even abanye MC babe kwazi because bayakwenza MC ve bayakwenza
Hayi, njengabo MC lami ngiyayifaka
balengxoxo zabo abafuna usixoxela zona singalanda balazo balani then bona yiba sebefuna ukuthi kube ngani mbenqengu yemawu but ngule esilinje obizwe kuyivenda so eka 5G I think ngabe wonke umuntu because no one is talking about this we are talking about chairs and sitting and what
Yes.
but asikhulumi ngomsebenzi mina I'm worried about umsebenzi nxa kuthiwe wemsebenzini mfike ngasebenzi bese mphi champagne nthabe
No.
amelanga nthabele khonka ngcono ngincithi champagne but nisebenzile
Because awulandanga
there is
uzoqala,
life after Nexus so ngingathabela isitulo ngingaperformanga it means angisela the next gig senile ndawo zokuhlala because animfuna isitulo so I think eka 5G mina kimi I think yindaba ukuthi ngabe iyakhulunywa ukuthi 5G pe um5 besikibe si1 kulezi awukade
ngacela la mathi ugcinile
Mina on a lighter note guys. Yena le indaba yokuthi unoluntu ukukhulumela u5G la ngesitulo and u5G indaba yesitulo ngani kayingeni. Eish.
but
Saturday
But no, I think they are onto something very true. I saw Noluntu post about you fill up sofa stuff. They said bafuna ukuthengisa $5, $10 ama tickets. And then I saw FFG commenter somewhere which I know asikwenza.
no but lokana mayisokwe kuhlakanipha mina
making lemonade out of lemons.
ukuthi umuntu anganthethiza mina athi lesi wena ugcwalisa ingeni then bese ndenza because ngiyakwazi ngiyathengisa ngo25 zokugcwela
And abhadali umuntu
abhadali venue abhadali lutho so this speaker box the mic ye karaoke
actually Nitric once hosted an event of a similar nature and it was packed.
was it number 6 Phelandaba
Yes.
close to
And it was packed. I think we made money.
sacena singakwananga
Abantu sebefaka izpeakers zabo ezimoteni phandle. Yeah, I think it can work.
Into ye community guys. Vele kobulawa ngakhangela you to seven that day wathi kobulawa study house. Ongakhala community house music. From house in CPD Maverick something ukhona kwenza yonke event house
yayegcwala abantu behouse
bangena you know house ile iloku yi tradition kwayo sibilo ukuthi
abantu behouse bale bawuhlonipha like okuyinto
ngcono sithethelana because vele ongafika uzoplaya irider lakho likhona even if kumbe
Right belikhalelwa ngonoluntu.
labe likhona uzaplaya ngesikhathi ihouse vele bahle besinike iprogram ukuthi uzibani uzaplaya ngo10 nxa wena ukwenza ukuthi ulandeni uzahamba ngo10 akula muntu obamba omunye ngentamo ukuthi wena ubuya ngo6 but ungane wakho uzaperforma ngo12 uzabuya you know ama house they built a community
house andiyayilalelwa yitabadala
but point
ungakayele sikunatha ku house phela
but ipoint time isekuthini these people because ihouse ngama subgenres amaningi
yes
but still bakwanisa ukubuilda i-community yabantu abazwana nayo yabona Nitric i-community yakhe yakhona uhlana le community ka Deeper Mr Stripes kuyenza event eyi1 Nitric engekho kulo Deeper bekholise bephuma behamba endlini it could kungaba the same for ama artists whether umuntu uhlabela hip hop uhlabelana first thing sithi no Bulawayo first uyabona ngikwanisa ukuyagida ebantwini bakanoluntu ngikwanisa ukuyagida lo 5G ngikwanisa ukuyagida lo Mzo ngikwanisa ukuyagida lo Sigeo ngikwanisa ukuyagida lo bani you know but ongakunanzelela akula that kuhlangana okwenza ukuthi kungani garesi sagijinisa indaba yamanisha umsisi K engenza event labantu bakhe aba attend ama event kaMsisi K any other event ebula artist nxa ungasomsisi K abahambi
true kukhona
I don't know ukuthi yinto yethu thina abantu abalelelayo or yinto yokuthi ama artists wena
I think into liyana influencer nguyo artist.
Thank you.
Ngoba artist is not only before the event, even after the event. Kunje so umsizi K angahamba ku show nxa esiya ku show kaMzo 7. Make noise about it, tell others. After the show bengikusho kaMzo7
Make noise.
Yes.
Njengezerumba yakubona ezerumba. Ezerumba, you know it is a rumba vela ula uthwale iaudience kaGodoluthi ngensimbi.
Rumba.
Ngavele kuthiwa kule rumba.
Kuphela.
Abantu bakwazi even ungakhangela uma socials abantu.
Manje
Babe bekhuluma sohamba kusimbi sesho.
now the thing is this with those guys umuntu advertise show yakhe yedwa advertise ayiqede yedwa aqede lapha abonga ama fans akhe yedwa awusozozwela inye artist babe khangele so bethule as if abayiboni but you know I think that's another
So it's something that can be worked on definitely kaseche.
Khona kuka 2. I think sometimes okwenza kube njalo and it's when you try njengami I know andama socials amakhulu not all that.
Yeah.
So maybe uhlangane lo muntu okwazi omaziyo nangu whoever artist and then uzama uku-interact lapha and yena kananzelela ukuthi lami ngingapost ebantwini bama bangu9 lo mnya post kwaba ngu15 and imileage so kumele like kube ngani uzomncenga like sokumele abe li celebrity kimi so kumele then inyasuka kikho inyasuka mina kikho and ngingasuka kikho nxa mina ngingelabudlelwane lawe physical angisoze market show yakho ngaphandle nxa ngulandela. So it's not everyone ukuthi ngiyaposta ngeshow yakhe maybe music yakhe ngizwisisa or whatever mina ve music engilalela I weird and ngilalela but because ukuthi kuthiwe kule hip hop and sometimes nxa behlabela ngizwa vethu ukuthi bathina but because umuntu lo ngiyakwazi ukuthi abantu bamthanda nxa perform lapha mbukele amanye abasupport hip hop bakholisa so and ngingaposta maybe kule 4 kimi abakholisa hip hop abazahamba Pari singekela thina ukuba lobudlelwano then ube mkhulu then omnye bemncane then asoze mpost vele ngesho yakho ngiyazithulela
because a problem yakho nalokho I'll make an example about SA artists. SA artists there's a standard, you know ukuthi nxa umbhuka 60% deposit isho yakho ka flopper ayiphenduki you know ukuthi ungambhuka phezulu kwe booking fee kumele ubhadale indizamtshina kumele ubhadale office ithwani ihotel umtshela ukuthi kunga verify ukuthi yiyo esivumelene ukuthi 5 star or 3 star what you know ukuthi nxa ufuna enze video ye confirmation you have to pay extra uyabona it's a standard akula ukuthi kuthiwa umaphorisa umvumawo SA artist akula ukuthi even nxa ubhukwe ngapha or ubhukwe ngale unga everywhere lapha lenze abhukwe khona kuphela it's the same standard. We don't have the same for our black artists. Maybe even for ilizwe lonke.
Kalesi ngafaka standard ukuthi even when it comes to even pricing. Faka standard ukuthi into enje it's $50 omnye will charge $10 for that same service.
But kungaba I standard manje no one. Akulo za charge 20. Do you know what why mina ngicina charge 20? Andakula standard. So angikwazi ukuthi ngicharge imali.
No. It's
ngoba Karesi ngicongitshele at least 5 abantu abalama red card.
Problem acha bona ukuthi inye problem yana le ukuthi these people are competing.
Exactly.
So wena ungabakwazi I-rate card lami. Wena usuya charge less thinking ukuthi wena you get more bookings than me.
Yeah, then
you see that's another
so
issue.
akula standard.
So
kumele phela sikwanise ukuku holder accountable mawu undercharge.
So a point yami lapha if there is a standard and it means le template yokuthi vele wena ungatshelwanga athi le SA lingawutshelanga uyakwazi kumele liphathe so if it's like that even for our artists ama issues are disrespect as abamalutshwana because you know ukuthi nxa nhloniphe ngi disrespect lo I've disrespected everyone chances are abanye abasoze bebuye next time even semfubuka a different artist or wethu yazikhuza vele ukuthi no but vele kahle kahle amanye ama promoter vele aphatha ama artists akobulawa so cause isi standard esikhona ukuthi kumele sibaphathe so
vele uhamba vele
uhamba la
thing is buzeyo ukuthi okay so like njengoba bengibuza ukuthi uFFG was paid or stuff like that.
Yeah.
I was actually expecting ukuthi the balance as was maybe but the deposit was paid. So anjabona ukuthi enye into you find ukuthi not talking necessarily about the Nexus issue. You find ukuthi there are some artists ababa booked until the day of the event perform engabhadalwanga.
And that's what is happening actually. I want to
umnikazi we show would expect the artist to deliver delivering khonapho include the presentation. Let's say for women for instance I need to have my makeup done I pay for that.
ifrontal.
Get my hair done, I pay for that. Outfit, I pay for that. So ngikhiphe esikhwameni sami nge-event esengiyenza ingakwazi ukuthi imali yakhona izaphuma mayizoziphuma.
Then-
And sometimes ayiphumi futhi.
uyakubona ukuthi mina even iphuma into leyisimpoa mina ikwenza imnanzayekele uperform okay into lokuyena ukuthi after show anti konke sokuphelile sengiqedile ukuperforma konke like konke sokuphelile sisilokho silayinile
Sokumiyo be.
sesilokho esibuthene sesilokho esikhangela lengathina soyikhiwa lithi so So, yimpilo siphilayo and everyone knows what I'm saying. Yimpilo siphilayo out there ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi iyabuya ayibuyi. Then sometimes I figure swathi gents 10 minutes and ku 10 minutes akona ubuli celebrity an hour ago and karisa usakwazi ukuthi ubusenzani la because awula mali yokugada usulambile ngabe lokumile so abesebuya after 10 minutes afika lina ama $5 athi imali zena zikabi sharp and so sihlaneni ngemandi so 5 ayikwani in drive yokuya esigwegweni so hawula 40 so kasuse wiper ngilanga lo perform phela ama ngiqakathekile especially ngiyami imali ngiyami kanqakathekile.
Guys, allow me to close the show.
Yeah, sure. You have to.
Ngoba yo.
Ngatshonela lapha guys, thank you so much for tuning in. That was it. Namhla besilo Garnet, the one and only Garnet.
Engangichayi kaze lechasa nami erodini. Angimthethisa ngonoluntu. Angimthethisa ngo-5G.
Ngihamba every corner Garnet, you know.
Thathe lo-5G so. You know.
So ngani ngowathatha isitulo.
Yeah, so also ngizazama enxele zakubona kathesi lingakubona libuyele futhi ekuqaliseni kwe episode leyi. Mina bemphendule ngobuziweyo and bengikhuluma iqiniso bengakhulumeli from inside lo ukuthi uzibani ozibani themba lani linzwile ukuthi bengikhuluma ukuthi lo waphamaniselwa lo waphamanisa and stuff so I hope everyone uyakubona njalo nje kungabi lo muntu ocina sendithreaten ukuthi hey usayidela ozibani ibrand lakho liyafa mina guys before anything ngumuntu ngizalwela umuntu before ngilwela ibrand so ibrand angitsho ukuthi yenzana ukufuna but siyaqala phansi lali vele lingekho in the beginning yabo so
In the beginning. So guys, there you have it. Amaqiniso seliwatholile, amaqiniso lama half truth seliwatholile. It's up to you ukuthi uku-interpreta njani. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in on today's episode of Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb3 Events. As usual, would ask you, would encourage you to comment lisitshele elikubonayo elikuzwileyo. Unfortunately, we didn't have Unoluntu J today, but we did really try to get her to come. Hopefully ngelinye ilanga uzabuya, and also we didn't manage to get UFebG because he's not in the country from my understanding.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, I saw him fly out.
That's the unfortunate part. But I think besides that, I think it was a great show. I think you guys really enjoyed because Tina's Kolisile. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Please do share and don't forget to subscribe. We always remind you to subscribe to the channel and follow Deb3 Events across all social media platforms. And also follow us at Tines Konalapa as your host. Not to across all platforms. General Leslie across all platforms.
Yeah.
Garnet.
It's J Garnet at W.
So please do follow us and let's engage. General.
Yeah, sesivala manje angasivala mele
Ubakhumbuze.
speech ke. I'd like to thank my mom and my dad. Right, thank you so much. It has been Enkundleni Exclusive. Remember, on the 20th of December, zabe sihlangene eBulawayo Arts Awards at Trade Fair, Zimbabwe International Trade Fair. We are going to be celebrating creativity, talent, hard work and everything. So, abanye baphuma bethwele lokhu mina labanye sibanenginengi.
Yeah.
But ekuseni yakhona we are going for amapraka ephumula. So, lilanga lokugeza guys, buye ugeze bemvuchata mhla 20 lokasolo la bevuchata sathi sithatha la komngane wami. Sithatha next year 20 December 2026 ngoba kunengi. So emini siyabe sisephumula for amapraka awards. Phumula Royal Community Awards. Yes, amapraka ngiyabonga kanele. So we're going to be there and ungasali bakithi, ungasali ngama red carpet mchokocho. emini yakhona kwabe sokuntambama futhi Zimbabwe Music Academy duze le trade fair so uyakwanisa ukuthenga itiketi langa ngoba uyawalka uphela weqoko chicken suphakathi kuma BA kule Ubuntu Cultural Night. There's going to be a massive lineup there. Kuyabe kulo Bila nobuntu nyadlula khona la kuyabe kuchaza lapha, so it's going to be interesting. So nxa uyabukwazi ukuthi u around, make sure you visit. But this coming weekend Hip Popular anniversary eMpopoma. Hip Popular is going to be celebrating 1 year bethengisa utshwala. So there's going to be Bila, there's going to be Pop 10, there's going to be Master Edge, Mr. Edge, like a lot. Lineup yakho inkulu memory yamingaka. So weekend, if you're around, make sure you're going to Hip Popular mhlaka 6 zabe zikhala kwaMphana. I attended the Spirit of Praise Zimbabwe International Trade Fair, full house, local artists like Vocal X, Dunamis, they were putting us on the map, guys. Betabula sound ke yangani ha. But above all bekumnandi, so mina lo Garnet lo nonduduzo sesichapha sithi sisalibona singalikhangela.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndabe sekudwini